If you're wondering if it's worth becoming an auto glass technician, learn about 3 big perks you get when entering the field. The first benefit is that you can get big discounts whenever you need a brand new windshield. Some companies may even offer you a free windshield after 1 year of employment has gone by. Here you'll notice some invoices of companies that pay around $300 to $700 to get their windshields replaced. But for me, I was able to receive an employee discount and got my windshield brand new and installed for $140. Since these windshields are aftermarket, you're able to find quality windshields for cheap rather than going to the dealer. OEM windshields from the dealerships can range from $1,000 and up to get one brand new. The second benefit is that you get to learn how to remove and install new windshields with professionals. Not only that, you also get to learn hands-on which tools are the best to use when doing the job. So when it comes time to do your own windshield down the road, you can get it done no problem. Great as well to do other people's windshields for profit if you become good at it. The third benefit is you get to visit and network in many shops in your local area. This will only apply to you if the company you're joining has a mobile crew setup, which will most likely be the case. When you're assigned to a mobile crew, you'll go inside other shops to replace windshields and other special types of glass such as quarter panels and back glass. This is another chance to see if you're interested in transferring over shops if you like what you see inside. Maybe you're trying to become a mechanic or an auto body technician, but you're having difficulty finding a job. By becoming an auto glass technician, it could help you get your foot in the door much sooner. You'll visit the shops frequently if your work output is good for repeat business. You'll get to meet the same employer and managers to build a relationship. And when you're ready, you can ask to join the other shop's crew. Auto body shops are always in need of skilled workers who handle windshield, quarter panels, and back glass. So there you go, 3 benefits and perks of becoming an auto glass technician. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button.
Automotive for Beginners.